Hey guys, so today I'm going to answer the number one question that I get asked when working with AI, and that is, how do I run AI that's safe, secure, and completely disconnected with any OpenAI model or DeepSeek model or something else that's outside? Our clients asked, how do I run AI locally and safely, etc. So here I'm just going to show you a little demo of something that I've got running on my laptop, which is now a 3-year-old MacBook. And I can say stuff like, hi, let's have a conversation. I'm just doing a simple hi, hello. You can see it's over chatting. Can you briefly tell me how to write a good email? Let's see how it says. Right, so you can see this is your typical ChatGPT style questions. I can ask for help, I can do things, and if you can imagine, I can structure this a little bit more. I can write this or convert this into an API that's running locally and then is able to share, some responses whenever I need them. So this is a quick demo that I've got, and you can see this is working perfectly fine. This is something that if I showed you a year ago, you'd be like, oh, this must be ChatGPT. Here's the thing though. I've turned off my Wi-Fi and I'm still chatting just fine, right? So this is something that is clearly not going anywhere in the internet. And to just take you under the hood, let me just pop up the hood over here. What I have here is actually an Ollama model that is running a Gemma3 model. And this is basically a model that Google has just launched literally about 2 weeks back, and I am now running it locally on my laptop. And you can see, for most practical purposes, this works as good as a decently classed AI model that typically would have taken a full server as well as API cost, etc. So if I just take you over to a little bit about the two things that I mentioned, Ollama. You guys can check out Ollama. This is a application that allows you to run open source models like Llama, DeepSeek, Mistral, Gemma3 on your laptop. It can run on a server. It can run on any Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, etc. that you control. Or if you really need this to work, you could potentially even just run it on an offline laptop that is air-gapped, etc. So this is completely running offline. Even everything I'm saying right now is still with my Wi-Fi off. Now, I'll just talk a little bit more about the Gemma3 model. So this is something that Google has just launched, and this is why I really wanted to make this video, is that Google has just launched an open source model that can run on a single GPU. Now, here's the thing. Now, we have seen how OpenAI has launched AI models that are great. And then we heard about DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek, they've done some fantastic work in optimizing the way AI runs on using code optimizations and a lot of really good algorithm updates, etc. But here's the thing. If you see over here, it tells you how many GPUs are required to run those models. And you can see Llama 3, DeepSeek, etc. This is how many graphic cards are needed. And keep in mind, each of these are not cheap. These are tens of thousands of dollars. And what Google has done is they've launched Gemma3. This is an open source model you can download. This is what's running on my laptop now, one laptop. And it really just requires one GPU or one really high-powered CPU even. And it's able to achieve an intelligence score of somewhere in between DeepSeek R1, which is a very powerful model, and DeepSeek V3, which is quite amazing. So what I'm trying to say here is that we're able to run very powerful AI models on very little hardware, which means you can run pretty much any sort of AI model that requires some sort of natural language understanding, some API responses, and you can run it on a single device and offline mode. So this is really quite stunning that Google has just open sourced this. You can go ahead and run this right now. I'd suggest you go ahead and just install Llama. You can just try it on your laptop now as well. There's really nothing stopping you from doing that. And using a combination of Ollama, And Gemma 3, or if you want any other open source model that you can go ahead and download, you can now safely run AI on your own laptops, on your own virtual private clouds, and offer a secure and safe way of using AI. So I hope this answers any questions you had. If you want to learn more about AI, please drop me a follow and drop me a comment. How do you see this being used in your environment? And if you need any help with anything related to AI and setting something up, send me a message. Have a great day.